Hello, and welcome to this Mindful Healing Moment. My name is Kimberly Murphy, and our mantra for today is I navigate life with mindfulness and purpose. In a world full of distractions and uncertainty, navigating life with mindfulness allows us to stay present and purposeful, even in the middle of chaos. When we approach each day with clarity and intention, we begin to see that every moment is an opportunity to align with our deeper purpose. The words, I navigate life with mindfulness and purpose, reminds us to stay grounded, to trust our path, to slow down, and move forward with calm confidence. So join me for this moment on purpose, by taking the time to find a comfortable place to sit or to lie down, someplace where you won't be distracted. And for the next few moments, allow yourself to be fully present. As you settle in, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze to one point in front of you. Feel your body breathing in and out. And take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale it out the mouth. And repeat after me, either silently or out loud. I navigate life with mindfulness and purpose. 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 Pause for a moment to feel how these words resonate with you. I navigate life with mindfulness and purpose. And then bring your attention back by watching your body breathe in and out. And as you inhale, take a full breath in. Exhale it slowly out the mouth. And bringing yourself back into this space. Moving your shoulders, blinking the eyes. And as you move through your day, remember that mindfulness allows you to stay present and purposeful no matter what life throws your way. By embracing the mantra, I navigate life with mindfulness and purpose, you're affirming that you have the power to handle each moment with grace, intention, and clarity. Make it a great day on purpose. Jai Bhagwan. Namaste.